Let us see how to install Xcode on Mac OS X operating system. See, go to App Store and inside App Store search for Xcode. Already I have Xcode installed on this machine. See, here is Xcode. An option is available for updating it. So if I have to update, I can update it. If it is not installed, then this button will be for installation of Xcode. So you can click on this one and install Xcode on your machine. And the other method of installing Xcode is go to terminal and at command line say xcode select install. See, here the message I am getting is command line tools are already installed. Use software update to install update. So already Xcode is available. If it is not available, then it will install it. Once it is installed, you can start using Xcode. See, here is Xcode. Create new Xcode project and let it be command line tool. Next, and here select the language as C++. There are other languages also available, so I'll give the project name as my first, and it's asking for the destination where this project should be stored. So select the destination folder. Now the project is created and this is the program file. Here already hello world program is created, so you can remove the comments and here you can start writing your code. So let us run this one and check. Yeah, here in this window, the output is displayed. So if you want, you can remove these panels and here the output is. So you can extend or the size of this one. So this is a watch window where you can see the contents of the variables if you have any variables in your program. And this is the output window. So you can show and hide this output window from this toolbar. That's it.